In a major announcement last week, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, they announced that they will remove all paid medical collections from credit reports on July 1st of this year, 2022. This accounts for about 70% of medical debt in collections. So people have paid off some medical debt in collections, but it's still reporting on their credit report. And it could stay there for up to 7 years. So effective July 1st, 2022, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian are going to automatically remove these paid collections from all credit accounts. This is huge because some of these debts in collections are bringing down people's, credit scores, so they are not being able to qualify for loans, be it mortgages or maybe even to rent an apartment, or sometimes this is having you pay higher interest rates on things like car insurance, credit cards, whatever people are looking at your credit. This is going to be huge because one thing about medical debt, people don't intend to, be in debt medically. They don't plan on getting sick necessarily to pay. They don't know what the cost is going to be. This is one of the reasons why they are removing this debt burden or this credit score burden from people that have paid off their medical collections, but it's still on their credit report. Also, they're going to change the amount of time that hospitals and other healthcare providers have to put this information on your credit report. So right now, it's 6 months. They have to wait 6 months for it to be unpaid for them to report it to the credit bureaus. Now they're going to extend that to 1 year. That's going to give you some additional time to work it out with the insurance company or the healthcare provider, maybe work on a payment plan or maybe a settlement for that debt or for whatever you owe that healthcare provider. So now they can't, before it was 6 months, and now it's going to be 1 full year before they can report any non-payment to the credit reporting agencies, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. There's also some other news that's going to come in 2023. So far we've been talking about things that you've paid off, but they're still on your account. Now, beginning in 2023, any unpaid debt less than $500, this is medical debt, any unpaid medical debt less than $500 will not be reported or will be removed from your credit report. So this again is huge because again, medical debt is something you don't plan on getting in. You don't plan on getting sick. You don't know what that cost is going to be ahead of time the majority of the time. So this is going to help a lot of people, get these things off of their credit reports. And if they were bringing down your credit score, this will help you. Now, I did this video about over a year ago about how the pre-approval process works. And most lenders, especially for mortgages, they don't look at your medical collections that closely anyway, but sometimes it does impact your credit score. So this is going to put people in a better position as far as their credit score and being able to qualify for loans or getting better rates on things like car insurance or even credit cards and that sort of thing. So this is a huge change in the positive direction toward improving credit scores. You should watch this video next or check out my credit playlist. It'll tell you the best credit monitoring to use. It will tell you how to fix your credit report for free, how to get the perfect credit score. So it's really a good resource if you're trying to improve your credit. I hope this was good news for some of you and look forward to it July 1st, 2022.